Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make prismatic salad dressing. First, let's gather our colorful components. Think about fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro, and perhaps a small piece of red bell pepper or carrot for natural hues. You'll also need about 1/2 cup of a good quality extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of a bright acid, like fresh lemon juice or white wine vinegar. Don't forget your aromatics, like a finely minced garlic clove and a small shallot. Now, let's start building that beautiful base. In a blender or food processor, combine your 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar with your minced garlic and shallot. Add about 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, which helps with emulsification, and a pinch of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. With the blender running on a low setting, slowly drizzle in your 1/2 cup of olive oil. This gradual addition is key to achieving a creamy, stable dressing. This is where the prismatic magic truly happens. Once your base is emulsified, add your colorful elements. Perhaps a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley for a vibrant green, or a small piece of roasted red bell pepper for a warm hue. Blend for just a few seconds until the color is evenly distributed and the dressing is smooth. Now, taste it. Adjust the seasoning with a little more salt or pepper, or add a 1/2 teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness. Your beautiful, prismatic dressing is almost ready. Carefully pour it into an airtight container. For the best flavor, refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This allows all those wonderful ingredients to truly get to know each other. This dressing is fantastic over a simple green salad, drizzled on roasted vegetables, or even used as a light marinade for chicken or fish. Enjoy your homemade, colorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.